Okay guys, here is the drone. It's a mini drone, mini 4D RC control drone. So I'm how the box comes in. So once you order it, you can get the box like this. And let me just unbox and show you what is inside. So now this is it. Come with this casing. So this is how the drone looks like. It's actually a small drone. Has the headlights, the camera. I'm going to show you everything, how the camera works, and okay, it comes with extra blades in case this one gets spoiled or something. And here is the controller for the drone. So you put the batteries here. It doesn't come with a battery, so you get batteries yourself. But the drone itself comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. So here is one of the battery. I'll show you where to fix it. Let me get the second battery. This is the second battery. So the battery goes into this part like this. So fix it in like that. So this is the second battery. It also comes with a stand, a drone stand. So this is where you fix the stands, the 2 stands, you fix them there. So once you fix the stand, the drone will be able to stand itself. So these are the blade, the propellers, and the motor is at the back here. There's the camera, there's the headlights. So it comes with a propeller guide, 4 propeller guides for safety of the propeller. So you can clip this. Now this is how the propeller guide looks like. So we are ready to fly the drone. This is the controller and everything. So the next thing is that this product is actually a WiseX product, so it's not DJI or those popular drones products that you can come across. So this is just a mini drone and don't really expect much from it. So I'm going to show you the video quality, the camera quality, and if it's a nice drone to actually buy for photography or wildlife or anything or robotics, which give you all the descriptions you need to know. So I'm taking the drone out for a test. So I'm going to show you the distance and everything you need to know about this drone right here. And if it's actually a good drone for you to get, I'm going to show you. So guys, this is the drone. So and this is my controller right here. So the drone actually comes with an app. The name of the, I don't know if you can see this very well. The name of the app is called 4D RC. Yeah. 4D Fly, that's the name of the app. So I'm going to turn on the drone now. So this on button here, you just hold it. So now the drone is turned on. You can see this light blinking here. So once I drop that, I'm going to turn on the controller. And then once you are done with that, go to the app. So it uses Wi-Fi, so you connect with the Wi-Fi. So let me connect it to the Wi-Fi. You go to your settings. Hope you can see this, guys. So this is Wi-Fi. So that's the drone there. 4D RC. You click on it.
That's the reason I get up on my ass and hustle like I never fucking made it.
So it's connecting now. So it's connected. So once it's connected, you go back to the app. And you click on play. So once you click on play, it shows the camera now. You can see it now. This is the camera. So for the sake of us that want to get drones for different purposes, if you just want to practice, this is actually a good drone to practice with. That's what the camera is showing. But if you are getting a drone for photography, videography, wildlife, or something else. But if you want to practice and teach people how to fly a drone, it's actually a good drone. But if you want to use it for professional shoots and other stuff, the camera quality is not really good. So I'm going to show you how the camera quality looks like once I fly the drone. So the first thing is to calibrate. So now let's take off. Now this is, it can actually go higher. Bring it down. It's actually a good practice drone.